How to find a good home insurance policy. Let's begin. Shop around for quotes. Look at many different insurance coverage options from a variety of insurance companies so you make sure you get the best rate for you. Compare the different types of coverage against the cost. Check out the reviews of each insurance company to learn more about customer service. Learn everything you can about each company you're considering. Read the terms and conditions. What do the terms and conditions reveal about each insurance plan? Get a sense of what your coverage includes, particularly if you live where you encounter floods, earthquakes, or hurricanes. You may have to purchase additional coverage for these perils. Take inventory. Take inventory of your personal belongings so you and your insurer know the replacement cost of all your items. This will help you get an idea of how much coverage you need and will help you if you need to file a claim. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe.
My name is Sheilla Lavadia, and you can always reach us at Sheilla@𝗙𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀.com or loanteam@𝗙𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀.com. You can also reach us at 425-218-5534.